So some of the training that we've done in the past years has been focused on teeth wear and grinding and jaw pain. And so we really like to get on top of that early. We're going to help you by, it's really a neat device that you're going to wear where we deprogram muscles, and we're going to find out what's in the way that's causing that, what's causing the pain, what's causing people want to grind their teeth. Once we have that set in place, once we've figured out the problem, then things just fall into place. There's a clear path that we can present people to kind of put them at ease and say, all right, this is the way we get there. But the information's key.